Here we are at week 10. We take a look at complementary medicine, herbal products, use of supplements, and the efficacy and safety of all of these. It is very important to investigate your patient's list of medications for diet-drug interaction, diet supplement safety, and supplement drug interactions. This week's assignments are located in MindTap and will alert you to concerns with some of these supplements that are in the marketplace, and there are loads of them. All right, the peer evaluations for the follow-up recording are also due this week. The third Zoom meeting is this week, so please join your peers and myself on Tuesday evening to discuss weeks 11 and 13 assignments and the end of semester capstone assignment. That's not due until week 14. Weeks 11 and 13 bring us back to the nutrition care process, introduce the MDS form for long-term care facilities, review the nutritional needs of older adults, and investigate a medical record. We'll have much to talk about on Tuesday evening. I hope you are able to prioritize this Zoom session. See you then, and have a great week.